Hey guys, here's part 2. I just don't want to waste my belly, so here's part 2, okay? Here's part 2 of the train. That's the same. So this is basically the whole train video, right? Friday. This is the Friday night southbound. The daytime one's gone. We heard it, we missed it, but that's alright. This is the nighttime one. Oh, after this train, we're gonna go to the gas station by a tree. So I'm getting the Waffle Chubby Cheese trip, so. Come on. There's that coal car. Hey, cool, there's another coal car right there again, cool. Yeah. Awesome, it's moving. It's snowing again. Damn it, my camera's getting wet. Whoa. Nighttime. Is it daytime? No, it's nighttime. It's just easy to see right now because it's not that black. The sky's dark blue. It's nighttime. Come on. Yeah, guys, it's starting to snow pretty hard. It's in Richmond, Michigan, Green West. Cool, going towards Richmond. Awesome. It'll be nighttime when it gets to Richmond. The sky will be black in Richmond. God damn, I'm freezing. Feels like this is a long 2 hours really. It's a long train. Cool. Nighttime, night southbound. Cool. Pretty cool, huh? Yep, now here comes the cars I haven't seen yet. Here comes some car haulers too. Car hauler. Oh look, there's one of those new car haulers, Canadian Pacific one, cool. Awesome. You know what, the car haulers have to be the best. Maybe there's truck frame flag out of it, cool. That's a long train, guys, it's going towards Richmond. There's a bean, cool, there's Canadian Pacific up there, that's new. That one's brand new too, look at that. Man, guys. 2 hours later again, this is a long train. There's a lot of car haulers too. You know? This is in McSport. Oh, my hand! Wow guys, this is such a long train. Come on man, my hand's hurting. Oh, this is awesome, a long train too. Car haulers had to be the west. Yeah, here comes the end of it, I think. Yep. Nope, there's gas cars. I don't see the end yet. I thought I did. Not yet, it's a long train, wow. 2 hours later, there's the end of those car haulers. Now here's some McSport, yeah, McSport. That's a long, nice 11. Yeah guys, here comes that snowstorm. Come on train, hurry up. Quick. Yeah, there's a snowstorm coming. See how dark it is down there at Richmond? So this is, the sky's gonna be black and this is the night southbound. This This is still a night southbound here now because it's nighttime here too. See how dark the sky is? So it's nighttime. Oh cool, truck frame. That's because the truck frames had to be the rest. Yeah, the truck frames are the rest. That's my guess. They had to be the rest. Here's train number 8 for this week. Friday night southbound. Cool. Oh, remember that cool train we saw on Wednesday? That's it, that one. That was a long train too, but this one's longer than that one. Because this is a night southbound, so Friday night southbound. Cool. Hey, bye. Yeah guys, the rest of the truck frames. Hold on, I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, it's nighttime. I told you it's nighttime, so this is a night southbound. Yep, that's it. Alright guys. Oh no, not yet. Oh, that's it, right there. And look, the signal's yellow red. Alright. That's all for now. I had to wait, there's a car coming. That's all for now.